Factorize into x squared minus x minus 12 close all squared into x squared plus 7x plus 12 close all squared. So as we start this type of factorization, you will realize this bracket is a quadratic. It's a quadratic expression. It's squared. Also, this quadratic expression is squared. So let us just factorize first the quadratic expression itself, because it will be much more easier that way. We are looking for two factors, or rather two numbers, that when you multiply them, they give you a minus 12, a negative 12. And when you subtract them, or add or subtract them, they give you a minus 1, because there is a minus x, meaning it's minus 1x, but the 1, we make sure it's invisible. And the factors of 12, we know it's 6 and 2, it's 4 and 3. But for two values that, of course, when you multiply them, they give you a negative 12. But when you add or subtract them, they give you a negative 1. That is x minus 4, and that's x plus 3. That thing is factorized, x minus 4, x plus 3, because minus 4 times 3 is minus 12. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. But remember, that is still all squared. And then what would then happen? Minus this negative, okay? This negative, open bracket. I'll open the bracket, and then I will factorize that by looking for two values or factors rather, such that when you multiply them, they give you a positive 12. When you add or subtract them, or add in this case, when you add them, they give you a positive 7. Of course, because this is positive, definitely it means those factors are going to have the same sign. Remember, here it was negative, that's why the factors have different signs, and the middle term tells you actually the sign of the bigger factor. The bigger factor is the 4, between 4 and 3, so the middle sign tells you which one is the bigger factor. But here, the factors are both positive, are of the same sign. You don't know if they are yet positive or negative, and of the middle factor, or the middle term. So that is, if you look at it, it's definitely gonna be x plus 4 and x plus 3, and all squared. That all squared. X plus 4, because 4 plus 3 gives you 7. And then 4 times 3 gives you a positive 12. Then here, this would actually be the difference of two squares, because if this is a squared minus b squared, this is in fact into x minus 4 into x plus 3 minus into x plus 4 into x plus 3 into the difference of two squares, x minus 4, x plus 3 plus x plus 4 into x plus 3. It's a difference of two squares. It's a difference of two squares, because if you look at the behavior there, it's like a squared minus b squared. It means it's a minus b multiplied by a plus b. It's a difference of two squares, and this has been factorized.